What's up, YouTube friends? Now in this quick video today, I'm going to show you how to turn these plain, boring mouse pads into this. It's really fast and super easy, and I'll show you how to do it next. So the things you're going to need to make these are your plain, boring mouse pad, a piece of cotton fabric. I'll be using this blue camo, but this is a perfect stash buster project. And some heat and bond. I'll be using the Ultra Hold here, that's no sew. You're also going to need your iron and ironing board, and that's it. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is unfold your heat and bond. I have the paper side up. Next, you want to grab your ugly, boring mouse pad, and I'm going to line it up on my heat and bond and trace around. Just like this. And I just went ahead and lined up the bottom and the side just to save you some heat and bond. Next, I'm just going to roughly cut it out. Then I'm just going to take my scrap piece of fabric and iron it nice and flat. Then I'm just going to put it so my right side is facing down. I'm going to grab my heat and bond with the glue side facing down. I'm just going to iron it on here per the manufacturer's instructions. Once it's cooled down, I'm just going to go ahead and cut on my pencil line. So now that I have it all cut out, I'm just going to peel off the paper from the heat and bond. And grab your mouse pad. Now I'm just going to line up my fabric over my mouse pad. This time I'm going to cover it with my pressing cloth and press. And just that fast, we have a new stylish mouse pad. Now if you want, you could leave your fabric a little bit longer and then just go back at the end and trim it so it's nice and even, but I'm not that worried about it. I hope you give this very quick and very fast project a try. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit the big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. If you have a question about this video or any of my other videos, or would just like to leave a suggestion for a future upcoming video, leave me a comment. Head on over to Scrappy's Patch on Facebook, Patreon, and Twitter if you'd like to be friends over there. Feel free to share this video across your social medias. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.